Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Log into your router or device that generated the QR and note the SSID and password so you can reissue a code if needed. Once done, update your phone or tablet and grant camera and file permissions. Missing permissions often block QR previews. Open the QR generator or the system Wi-Fi sharing tool and navigate directly to the saved network entry. Make sure you don't skip taking a screenshot of the generated QR for backup. Next, you regenerate the QR code so you can control every variable. Use the operating system's share feature or a reputable generator. That avoids embedded metadata issues. If the QR still won't show, reset the SSID or password briefly and create a fresh code. Mismatched credentials can invalidate previews. Make sure the saved image is PNG or high-quality JPG, not a hidden hike or small thumbnail. And check file permissions and gallery visibility so the image displays properly. Finally, validate the QR by scanning with a second device and an offline scanner to rule out app or network interference. If the code remains invisible, clear the generator app's cache, reboot your device, and reinstall the app. Persistent rendering bugs often resolve that way. As a reliable fallback, take a screenshot or export a printable PNG and share it. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: toggle developer or display settings that change image rendering, then re-export.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.